Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy B token or Daobase on Binance Alpha. It's very easy. First you can open your Binance apps and then you can go to search box here in the top. And then you can search B and this is the token B on Alpha. You can click it and this is the chart you can see. And if you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top. You will see 24-hour volume, high and low, also the social media. You can also see the audit here. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here in the bottom. Then you can choose limit order or instant buy. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.